years, I always want you kind. You my man, I took you by my side. Your daddy's little girls, and you'll always be mine. I'll cherish all the moments to the end of our time. You changed my world, and you brought it back to life. You made me wanna live, you made me wanna fight. Forever my war, and forever you'll be mine. I'll always stand to the end of our time. No matter situations, you're always by my side. And nevertheless, you brought me through some rough times. Memories is all I have when you started at school. I seemed a little nervous and I acted a fool. When you opened up your eyes, they shine brighter than a pearl. At that very moment, you were daddy's little girl. And I would give you my life, put you under my wings, so daddy's little girl can fulfill all her dreams. Come on! Yeah, daddy's girl. Come here, just right here for a minute. Come on. Sometimes the world be a little dumb. Sometimes the world can be a little dumb. Come on. That's right. The thing about the world. Come on. Sometimes the world can be a little dumb. Sometimes the world can see when you come. You were daddy's little girl. You would fit in my arms. You would fill me with joy and all of your charms. I would whisper in your ear songs that I sung, precious memories to me ever since you were young. You see my ups and downs and all my crazy ways. You search me back and forth even through my worst days. You're growing up too fast and I can't slow it down. I just pray that you learn and the Lord is who you found. See, I learned the hard way. Yes, I went throughout life and I was running out of time. I was searching for Christ. I seen it coming every day as I looked outside. I took another look. I didn't ever want to die. You should never give up when times seem a little hard. You should give it your best and always trust in God. Everything that you've been taught, all the love that was shown, I pray you take it to your heart. I pray you take it home. Come on, Brenton. You still got a girl. That's right. Come sit over here and let's try to say about the world. Come on. Come on. Come on. Your daddy's girl. Come sit here and let me tell you about the world. Come on, Mr. Brenton. Mr. Brenton. Come on. Sometimes the world can be a little. This one's dedicated to all the daddy's girls over there. Every phone more. Let's make some noise! We love you. God bless you. Don't remember to stop by the booth. We got the new CD with that song, all the songs we did tonight. It's called Lord, Hear My Prayer. God bless you and we'll see you at the
Second chance, ladies and gentlemen. Secretary, you should read this story. Check out the webpage and check his story out. And you'll know, tell us about this young man. This young man got some good ideas. Thank you. Good. You ain't all right. We got to see if he's going to be sound.